Hi, and welcome to Mr. Rodriguez's Photoshop class. Since we don't have Photoshop, we're going to be doing this photo editing. Photoshop is for photo editing on a browser. And so I want you to go to pixlr.com and register. You have to register, use your school email. You have to register so that you can save your file. Okay. So after you register, I want you to click on Pixlr X, and we want to. I gave you guys on the Google Classroom an image to work with. So you're going to go download that image, and then go click Open Image, and then go to your downloads and select the image that I gave you. And I'm going to give you some exercises so that you are ready to do some work for later on. We're going to do an album cover or a movie poster. So in order to do this, we need to learn how to remove backgrounds out of objects. So click on the scissors on the left. Click on the scissors. And for every different type of background, you got to use the correct tool. And the tool, this background is a flat color. So that for that, there's a specific tool for that. And it's actually the magic wand right here, right? So click on the magic wand on the left toolbar and make sure you have it on remove. And tolerance 32, that's just the fuzzy edge. Just kind of, no, yeah, I think it is. It's how much space it grabs. So that's fine. And then click on the white space right here on this white space. Click on it, and ta-da! It removed the background. That's all we needed to do. Now, how do we remove these letters that appear? So click on the tool shape on the shape cutouts. Then click on the rectangle and draw a rectangle around the letters you want to disappear and disappear. That was it. And so now that you already learned how to use one tool for a specific job, click on Save. And these are image file formats, the type of image format that you want. The only format that supports transparency, meaning that the area that we remove is going to be transparent. You're going to be see-through. You're going to see through that area. The only file is the PNG. So click on PNG, and then I want you to put your name on it. Put your name on so I know who to give the grade to. And then put a dash, and then put like a magic wand. So you know, oh, this is the magic wand, magic dash wand assignment. So, and then click on download. It's going to download the file. And I want you to take that file and upload it into the Google Classroom. All right. So that's it.